Hello and welcome to today's composing trick. We're going to do a choir fanfare, so let's listen to it and then build up the track. Okay, so I'm going to start with the soprano and alto vowels. Notice that the melody line is moving contrary to each other, and then at the end we add an extra third note as well to make the fanfare. Next I'm going to copy this down to the tenors and basses, just doing a simple drop down the octave. For violin 1 staccato, all I'm going to do is take the soprano and alto line, drag it down and then remove the lower notes. Violins 2 is just violins 1 down an octave. Then we add some timpani, just building up the number of notes as we go. Now we're just going to add a snare drum with a typical military beat. And finish it off with a cymbal crash. As some finishing touches, you could add some automation, so bringing the tenors and basses in as you go, and also the violin 1s can come in a bit slower than violins 2, and as you can see I've tapered off the timpani at the end so it doesn't reverberate. That's it for a choral fanfare. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll play it one more time as an outro, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.